Well, Christmas is over. Time to get back to work on the 71. Let's get to it. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today we're back working on the 71. I got the man, the myth, the legend, Heath. He is. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it when I call him out like that. But we've been working away. So we started working on the brake lines, and I was literally about to say, "Look, it clears," and then I get in here at the camera, and it's touching by a hair. But we can adjust this a little bit. But I got this bend I wanted on this line, got it down. We got the passenger side line ran. We got the rear lines ran. This car has brakes, gentlemen and lady. There's probably one or two ladies out there watching this video. Yeah, making good progress. And as you can see, we literally just set this fender in position. We literally just got it up here. It's loosely in place. Lots of protection going on so we don't have metal on paint, and Heath has no shame in beating on things. Just getting in place, you know. It's good. So here we go in the back. I'll show you. We got the back brake. We didn't do the traditional line. We kind of rounded it. So, and then followed the shape of the actual rear end. So that's looking pretty good. So we had to relocate this bracket. We ended up just using a bolt and lock washers and drill the hole with just nut and bolt. Typically this part went here, but because of the DSC setup, had to be relocated. And then I just got to get an L bracket or custom make a bracket to get this to sit and be tight. So we'll be good back here. Okay guys, brake lines are done. We got the fender on. A little sneak peek of some hood action going here. I don't want to go too into it yet because I got a full video on that coming, but that's looking really good. The profile, look at that profile. Oh, she's coming together. She is coming together. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for following along. Next video's coming. Will be the hood install, will be the hinge install. We ran into some issues, so that's why I don't really wanna incorporate it in this video because I think it justifies a separate video. I apologize if you're mad about that, but it's just the way it's gonna be this time. But we got fenders on the car, we got doors on the car, we have hood placement, and we have clearance. It clears the carburetor. So all sorts of good news happening for the 71. More parts off the ground and off the shelf on the car. Super excited for that. And all things are just, it's turning out well. We're gonna make some progress here. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you want more content. And until next time, see you on the road.